What's up, guys? This video is going to be about setting up your eBay sellers account step by step. And if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Josh and I upload videos weekly about all things related to your finances. So if you care about your financial future and you care about your money, go ahead and obliterate that like button and also click that red subscribe button until it turns gray, and that way you don't miss anything. So it doesn't matter which country that you're located in the world, you can follow these steps and start making money on your very own e-commerce business today. Because eBay is a great way that you can make money. One, because it's free to list any item. In most categories, you will only have to pay out about 15% plus 30 cents on each order after you sell the item. So if you do not sell the item, there are no monthly fees that's coming out of your account, that you will only pay a percentage out of what you already sold. So essentially, you're not really paying any money out of pocket. And also, you're protected by the policies that eBay has in place. And it's very easy to get paid too, because with my eBay, I have all of my payments going right to my PayPal. And I have been doing that for years and I never had a problem. So before you start selling on eBay, first, you're going to need an eBay account. So if you already don't have one, you will need to register for an account, and you can choose between a personal account or a business account. So if you plan to sell casually, like things that you have around the house that you no longer need or want, a personal account would be the best option for you. And pick a business account if you want to sell larger quantities and you have items that maybe you made, or even if you buy items at the local store, if you want to go back and resell, or if you're considering something like drop shipping. To create an eBay account, first you want to head on over to the eBay website and click the tab that says My eBay, and you can find this tab up at the top of the screen. Next, you want to click on Create an Account. Now, I am going to create a personal account. So after you enter in your information, click the icon, the big blue button right here that says Create Account. Now, after your account is set up, click Sell at the top of any eBay page. Doing so, it will take you through the required steps in order to list a product or an item. After clicking Sell, list an item. You can either choose an item that you have by uploading your own picture and entering in a description, which I'm going to go on and enter in that I'm selling like LED lights. So after following the description of whatever you have, you can also go with the suggested products, which I like this option because now I don't have to worry about the description and writing everything to make sure that everything is correct. However, you do want to edit whatever they have. So if you decide to go with what's already listed, now the only thing that you have to do is choose the condition of the product or the item that you're selling. Or you can decide to fill out your own information here. You will have to go and upload your own pictures here and fill out the pricing and the shipping info. And this too is where you can fill out if you want to accept returns or not. And from here, you can go on and click to list the item. Or there's even an easier way that you can list your item on eBay for sale. The first thing that you want to do is find the item that you're selling on eBay, an item that someone else is already selling. Just say I want to sell a TV. So I'm going to search for the TV. I'm going to scroll down and find the exact TV that I have. Now, whenever I upload the page where it says have one sell, you want to click the sell now button. So you want to make sure that it's the exact same product that you're selling. Make sure that you're just not blindly just saying list, but you go through the details and the information. And sometimes you can even scan the barcode with your cell phone. I like that option as well because now I know it's the exact same product that I'm looking at. And again, go through the description because you don't want to put anything falsified out there. So you just want to make sure that you still know what you're posting out there. But as you can see, all of the information is already ready to go to list. So if everything pans out correct, just make sure that you go back and list the price that you want to sell your item for, then go to the bottom and just click on list. Now check out the top video right over there where I'm going to go through step by step showing you how you can make $180 or more per hour by listing things on eBay just like I did in this video. Subscribe by clicking the icon right here, and that way you don't miss anything, and I will see you in the next video.